Best paying jobs in finance. Chief Financial Officer. The second best paying job in finance is Chief Financial Officer. The Chief Financial Officer is the overseer of all the financial activities of a business. The Chief Financial Officer is responsible for all financial reporting, financial management, and financial planning of a company. Chief Financial Officers typically possess Master of Business Administration degrees and have many years of experience. The Chief Financial Officer is responsible for ensuring the accuracy of the balance sheet, income statement, cash flow statement, and all other reports. How much does a Chief Financial make? This is the top financial position in a company and ranks just below the Chief Executive Officer. While hedge fund managers have the highest earning potential, Chief Financial Officers regularly come in the six-figure range. The average salary for a Chief Financial Officer goes from $130,000 to $460,000 per year. Most CFOs are rewarded handsomely for their mixture of education and experience, with the median salary range coming in at $416,000 per year. The top-end CFOs earn as much as $700,000 per year. This does not include stock options, bonuses, and other incentives for hitting financial objectives. Chief Financial Officers are responsible for protecting the assets of a firm and continually increasing revenue and profitability. They oversee the accountants, financial analysts, and banking operations of organizations. It is an important leadership position in a firm with far less stress than being a hedge fund manager.